Hey y'all, I'm here just to show you how to change the battery in the key fob on a 2015 Audi S4. This should work on other Audi and Volkswagen models that have the keyless entry push to start. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and push this little button here, press and pull, and this is going to actually reveal your key. Now, if you don't know already, this key will actually get you into the car if the battery has died on your car or if it's died on the key fob. You should be able to start the car up with that and once you're in, but may not work. Once you do that, flip to the other side and there's going to be like a little black button that you can press in, and you want to kind of do the same thing, press and pull. And don't yank it too much, it's kind of in there with a little tight fit. Now you want to just make sure, check around, see if there's any dirt, clean that off, and then pop the battery out. Now the battery that's in there is a 2032, and I got these off of Amazon, pretty good deal. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for these. So if you look on the back here, you can kind of see the plus sign and a little diagram. You want to make sure the battery looks like that. So you want the plus side facing down. Now go ahead and line it back up. Give it a little push. You hear it snap. Do the same with the other side, or sorry, the other part. Give it a little push. And that's pretty much it. So you want to go ahead and just test the buttons. Make sure it's locking and everything. And my car is right outside this door here, so you could probably hear it. And you could also see it flashing on there. And that's it. Just make sure you toss the battery in an appropriate place and you're good to go.